Welcome. In this short screencast, we're going to take a brief look at the International Institute for Business Analysis, that's IIBA's multi-level certification framework. You might be watching this video because you are an experienced BA and you're looking to crystallize your knowledge and get your achievements certified. Or maybe you're a new or aspiring BA and you're after certification to help land you that first role. Or maybe you're a BA team leader looking for a flexible certification pathway for you and your team. Either way, the IIBA certification framework will be an interesting and useful option for you to consider. So the IIBA certification framework has 4 levels. The exams themselves revolve around the Business Analysis Body of Knowledge BA-BOK Guide. Now, the first level of certification is the ECBA, the Entry Certificate in Business Analysis. And this is perfect for people who have little or no business analysis experience. So if you're just entering the role, or maybe you're aspiring to enter the role, this is a great certificate for you. Or if you work with BAs and you want an appreciation of business analysis, the ECBA is a really good choice. If you're an experienced practitioner, you might want to consider the CCBA. Now, the CCBA, the Certificate of Capability in Business Analysis, has an experience requirement. You can't apply and sit it unless you have 3,750 hours of work experience, business analysis work experience. So it's great for people who have a reasonable amount of business analysis experience. If you're a more senior BA, you might find the CBAP, that's the Certified Business Analysis Professional certification, interesting. That has a higher level of experience requirement. You need 7,500 hours of practitioner experience. We'll talk more about the requirements in just a second. And the very pinnacle of the certification scheme is the CBATL, the Certified Business Analysis Thought Leader. Now, that certificate hasn't been launched yet, but it's expected that it will be quite aspirational in nature. Not everyone will want to apply or go there. And it's really for those who are not just part of the BA community, but are helping to shape and lead it. So let's look at each level in turn. Now, it's important to note that in this short video, we'll only be covering the real basics of the certification. There's far more available on the IIBA website, and I'd certainly encourage you to take a look at that. Alternatively, we have some useful information on our website, and you're free to contact us. We're always happy to help if you have questions. So, looking at the ECBA, Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, as I mentioned, there's no experience required. So you can sit the certificate even if you've never been a BA. You do require some professional development though, 21 hours within the last 4 years. Now, there's some specific guidelines and requirements around what constitutes professional development. There's more about that on the IIBA website. And once you've applied and you've scheduled an exam, you'll sit a 1-hour multiple choice exam, 50 questions. Now, ECBA, the type of questions you'll get are more likely to be around knowledge and recall. Because, of course, at ECBA level, you don't need any experience. So the exam doesn't expect you to necessarily know how to use every technique in every nuanced situation. It won't be asking you to do complex analysis, but it will be asking you to know about certain areas of business analysis. Again, there's an exam blueprint available which gives you details of which knowledge areas are most highly weighted in the exam. And that's available on the IIBA website, but if you need it, drop us a line, we can send you a link to it as well. If you're an experienced practitioner, you might be looking at the CCBA, the Certificate of Capability in Business Analysis. Now, here you need 3,750 hours of business analysis practitioner experience within the last 7 years. It's really important to note that if you've been in a hybrid role, so if you are a BA/PM or any other kind of hybrid role, you can't count the non-BA experience. So you really do need to sit down and work out the number of hours you can evidence. Again, you require 21 hours of professional development within the last 4 years. And the definition of what counts as professional development is a little bit tighter for the CCBA. And there's a 3-hour multiple choice exam. Now, when you're at CCBA level, that's much more likely to be scenario based. So you'll be presented with a scenario and asked to perform a bit of analysis to get to the answer. So you'll really need to not just know what's in the BA book and the scope of business analysis, but how to apply it as well. If you're looking at CBAP, that's the Certified Business Analysis Professional, you'll require 7,500 hours of BA experience. Again, that really is BA practitioner experience. You can't count other professional experience in there. And that's got to be within the last 10 years. There's 35 hours of professional development required, and the exam is 3.5 hours. Now, the type of questions you'll be getting on the CBAP are much more likely to be case-based. You might be presented with a page or a page and a half with multiple questions about that case. And you'll be required to really think about the techniques you'd use, how that fits with BA BOK, and again to really understand and illustrate not just an understanding but an application of the business analysis body of knowledge and business analysis in general. Now, both CBAP and CCBA also require 2 references, referees, and also for your experience requirement there needs to be a project contact given for each one. Again, the IIBA website is a great place to look for the full criteria. Finally, although it isn't launched yet, the CBATL, Certified Business Analysis Thought Leader, well, that is really aimed at people who give back to the community and are advancing the business analysis profession. It's not for everyone. Other people will take their career in different directions, but it provides an aspirational option for those that really want it. So we hope you found this information useful. If you'd like to know more, there is a summary of this video on our website. If you click on the certification tab, you'll find it there. Our website's www.blackmetric.co.uk. There's a useful summary table of the different levels and the requirements for those as well. And please do stay in touch. If there's anything we can do to help you, please do take a look at our website. And as a reminder, a really good place to look for the IIBA certifications criteria is the IIBA website as well. So do take a look at our website, also check out IIBA, and if there's any way that we can help you in your journey on certification, please do contact us on the details on the screen. We do have accelerator and awareness courses which are really aimed at people achieving these levels of certification. So if we can help, don't hesitate to get in touch. Bye for now.